I see a lot of different types of skin and a lot of different types of issues that are going on, from rosacea to cystic acne to autoimmune diseases to skin cancer, scarring from that skin cancer as well. So we pretty much get a little bit of everything. I would love all of my patients to know that I'm just so welcoming and open, and I'm just very inclusive with everyone, and I never want anyone to feel embarrassed or feel shy around me about what they're going through. When I'm working with a patient, the one thing that I'm trying to do is just get them to feel comfortable in their day-to-day lives in their own skin. I feel like once we feel like we've gotten to a good place with how we look and how we feel on the outside, that just adds to how we feel on the inside. The best part of my job is meeting new people and being able to make those personal relationships with them, and being able to help someone feel better about themselves, being able to see someone be more confident in who they are and how they feel about themselves, and knowing that we change someone for the better.